Hello everyone. In this video we're going to learn how to evaluate log by changing the base of the log. Let's look at the first example. I have a log 3 to the base of 81. So to evaluate this log, I need to change the base into the log 3, the base 3, which this will become 3 and here will become 81. And the log 3 base 3 is equal to 1. We can always change the 81, convert 81 into the 3 power of 4. So we can apply the rules of log here. Move the 4 to the front and we got a 4 log 3 to the base of 3. Where the log 3 to the base of 3 equals to 1. So finally we have a 1 over 4. For the log 0.5 to the base of 4, I choose to have the base of 2. The 1 over 0.5 will be on top and the 4 will be below. And the 0.5 always can be converted into the 2 power of -1 because it is equals to 1 over 2. And 4 can be converted written as a 2 power of 2. Then finally, I will have my -2 move to the front. I got -1 multiplied by log 2 to the base of 2, which is equal to 1 over 2 move to the front. You got a 2 multiplied by log 2 to the base of 2, which equals to 1 as well. Finally, you got a -1 over 2. For this log, I would choose to have the base of 10. And on top, I got 10. Down here, put 1000. Then log 10 to the base of 10 equals to 1. And 1000 always can be written as a 10 power of 3. Then the 3 move to the front, you got a 3 multiplied by log 10 to the base of 10, which is equivalent to 1. And the answer is 1 over 6. For this question, 8 and 0.5, both of them can change to the base of 2. So I choose to have a log base of 2. I change the base into base 2. The 8 on top and the below is a 0.5. 8 can always be written as a 2 power of 3. And 0.5 is written as a 2 power of -1. Now we apply the third laws of log. Bring the 3 to the front. I got 3 multiplied by log 2 to the base of 2, which is equivalent to 1. Over the -1 bring to the front, multiply by log 2 to the base of 2, which is equal to 1. Finally, we got a -3. For this example, we don't have to change the base. I would just simplify the 7 third 7. 7 is a power of 1 and the third 7 can be written as a 7 power of 1 over 2. Follow the rules of laws of indices, The power can be added up when you have two index number which having the same base and the operation between them is multiply. You can add up their power which become 7. Power of 1 plus 1 over 2, you got 3 over 2. And then we bring the 3 over 2 to the front by applying the third laws of log, which you have a 3 over 2 multiplied by log 7 multiplied by 7, which is equivalent to 1. And the final answer is 3 over 2. For this example, I need to convert this into the base 10 so that I can use my calculator to bring me the value of log 9 and log 7. Alright, change the base 10. I got log 9 over log 7. Have your calculator to help you. And you have your answer in the decimal form. That is 1.129. The same thing for this example. I think I can't evaluate this log without using calculator, so I will change both of them. This log into the log base 10, and I have my 12 on top and 0.5 below. So okay. So have your calculator. The answer is in decimal as well, -3.585. This example, definitely we need to use a calculator. So before I proceed to calculator, I change both this log into the base 10 by putting the 7.318 on top And down here I got log base 10 3. Then get calculator to calculate for you. Here we have a 1.812. Similar step will apply on this. Change this log into the log base 10. Press your calculator. Here we have a 0.834. For this question, I don't have to use a calculator. I can always change the 64 into the 4 power of 3 if you don't want to change the base. If you want to change the base, you can always change to the base 2. And make your 64 into the 2 power of 6. And the 4, you can write the 4 as the 2 power of 2. And followed by the 6, you move to the front by using the loss of log. And the 2 also the same, you move the 2 to the front. And finally, you got the 6 divided by 2, that will be 3. Similar concept will apply on this example. I don't have to use calculator for this question. Because what I see is 125 and 25, both of them can change to the base of 5. Alright, so I'm actually choose to change this log into the base of 5. On top I got 25, below I have a 125. And the 25 always can be written as a 5 power of 2. 125 is 5 power of 3. Then followed by applying the loss of log, you bring the 2 to the front. You got the 2 multiplied by log 5 to the base of to the base of 5, and you got it 1 over 3 move to the front and multiply by log 5 to the base of 5, which is equivalent to 1 as well. Then you have a 2 over 3. By considering the 4 and 1 over 2, both of them can change to the base of 2. So I would try not to use calculator. I will change this log into the base of 2. And on top I got 4, here I got 1 over 2. And always simplify your 4 into the 2 power of 2 and write your 1 over 2 to the 2 power of negative 1. Followed by applying the loss of log, bringing the 2 to the front, you got 2 multiplied by 1, cast your log 2 to the base of 2 equals to 1, and negative 1 to the front, again multiply by 1 because your log 2 to the base of 2 equals to 1. Finally, your answer is negative 2. We have done how to simplify to evaluate log by changing the base. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to talk about without using calculator, simplify the following without using calculator, which are all the terms of the log having the same base. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.